What is that, the CNC? Or, oh, nothing. I was talking to myself. It's Friday, we've had a week-long residency. It's gone really quick. I didn't realize it would go this fast, but I'm feeling a little bit tired, accomplished, and excited about all the kind of things that we started making, so that's been really fun. So this whole week, Monday came in, had a tour of Hoek. I learned that it's not called Hoek, it's called Hoek. Met all the team members, learned kind of, some of the machinery that's here, and also had a little bit of a tour of some of the older prototypes that, kind of built the furniture that I'm sitting on. And then kind of after that, progressively, it was a little bit of problem solving. I learned how to tessellate a shape. I had to watch a lot of YouTube videos and figured out how to cut that out and make it fit together.
It's been such a fun week. I think we have created some really special pieces and certainly, went to places I didn't think we were going to go. We've created small, hand-sized objects. We've created paintings. We've drawn with the CNC, with the giant marker. We've created an amazing coffee table. And yeah, it's just been an absolute blast. So we're looking forward to having an opportunity to do an event in a space where you can not only look and read Shantell's work, but you can actually be absorbed into it and become part of the artwork.
So this week's been super exciting because actually I've gone down a few different little rabbit holes, and I like the idea of modular things that kind of are modular and repeatable, and I never really had the time to explore it. So I'm really curious to see how that will kind of play a role back into my work. And then also, I think there's a fine line between making something that's practical